Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with some tips on how to solve a problem with a bent or broken nail. Let's get started. Depending on what you've been nailing, you may have bent a nail, or maybe it's too deep and you want to remove it. You're not quite sure what to do. Now, in the case of a nail like this that you just want to pull out, a claw hammer like this allows you the ability to get in between the shaft and the head of the nail, the groove of the hammer like that, and you just want to hold the material firmly and then angle back, pull that back, and the nail will come out. Now, depending on what you want to do with that hole, if it's a piece of wood or in a drywall, you may have to patch it. Now, if it's bent like this one and you just can't get the hammer in there, it's not a bad idea to use a pair of snippers like this, or even a pair of pliers. These are needle nose pliers, and you can try and straighten this out so you get that shaft up there. Then, with these snips, you're gonna get right up against the base of the nail, okay? And then you're gonna angle this up, and you're gonna use it to pry the nail up slowly. Grip, pull up, and keep gripping. And by doing so, you'll be able to remove the nail. And finally, a bent one like this that's not, so bent that you can't get the hammer under there, you can kind of get the hammer and straighten it up a little bit. Then take the claw of the hammer and just sort of tap it back and forth and pull the nail up. Removing a bent or broken nail is that easy when you have the right tools. If you need more information, visit us at acehardware.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, you can always stop into one of our stores. We're right in your neighborhood. Ace is the helpful place.